Namaste. Today we are going to talk about the sufferings and pains in this human life. Why? Why we are experiencing the sufferings and pains? And happiness is there, but it is very less. So there were a few questions from among you asking me, what is the reason? Yes, we are able to understand the righteous knowledge and we want to go through our intellectuality, but it becomes like we are clueless when we go back to the society and start living. At this moment, when we listen to you, it makes us more comfortable and understanding that we have these great potentialities within us. But when you step into the society, it becomes very hard. So, there are some deepest facts which is just kept very closed, or it is unfolded within you, and only by understanding these facts, and if you start working on it, then there is a possibility, or you can say there is a chance to come out of this struggle to how to implement this righteous knowledge in my journey of life, so I could attain some great experience, some good moments. So it is our duty, or it is our birthright, being in this human form, to attain that happiness. But we are not able to do it or experience it. Few moments we are able to experience, and most of the time the mind is chasing and going and struggling. So, the three primary facts which you must understand today, and if you start working on these three facts, definitely I assure you, if you are dedicated to the knowledge and if you want to come and experience the truth, then there is a sure shot that you can experience the joy to the fullest. The first thing is, which is making you, which is blocking you not to go with this higher intelligence, not to implement this knowledge. The first fact is right from inside you, your ego. And the second thing, it's called as imprint of sins. The second thing is the imprint of sins, I'm going to share you now. And the third thing is the illusion. These are the three primary facts which is right hidden within you, and unless and until if you don't work on these facts, how to get rid of them, if you don't learn and if you don't implement, then it's impossible to just even utilize this information of knowledge in your journey. Then again you have to face and be in the same struggling journey. So ego, you can understand, it's a part of your consciousness, which is in the form of your mind. The way we have understood life with a limited knowledge from the society, from the education system, we think we are going to lead a happier journey, a happier life, but happiness comes to you, but again it vanishes. again you start chasing for the happiness in any way you can attain. Because your ego is said to be the biggest hurdle or obstacle in your life. What is the true structure of ego? There are some animalistic, you can say, or a disharmony emotions within you, which altogether build this ego. The greed, anger, misery, lust, vanity, and vengeance. So all these 6 things together projects in the form of ego. So one has to understand how to work with the ego, which is very important. Unless and until if you don't work on it, there is no comeback to the source to attain the salvation. Once if you start working with your ego, then the third aspect is the illusion, because illusion is a part of your ego. The moment you start working with your ego, ahamkara, the illusion slowly starts disappearing. The knowledge which you received from the society and education system is a knowledge just making you to money, earn money. If you have the true knowledge, you would have lived happier in this planet Earth. But every moment we are struggling to attain this happiness. It shows that the knowledge which you have to receive to raise your intellectuality is so far away from you. It is so far away from you. After working with your ego and your illusion, then coming to the third aspect, the second primary thing, which I told you, like the imprint of sense. There are good actions in our memory and there are some negative actions in our memory, and all these negative actions always creates your disharmony, a pain and sufferings inside your memory. Am I right? Yeah. So this is the imprint of sin. The memories ingrained within you in the form of disharmony, pains and sufferings is the imprint of sin. The more you carry the negative imprints, the higher the chances to get a disharmony in your life. Because this negative imprint is creating a negative thought or a negative energy in and around you. So it welcomes the person to come towards you or life situation coming to threaten you in the same manner. So these are the 3 primary facts that one has to understand to come away from the pains and sufferings. Namaste.